Chiropractors. In today's quick tip, we're going to do an over-the-shoulder tutorial where I look at a chiropractor's website, point out some of the elements that are missing and that could be improved, and I'll show you exactly what I would do to make that website convert more visitors into patients. If you're ready, let's dive in. All right, let's take a look at this website, and I'm going to share with you what they may need to change to make this a lot better, to get more conversions and more patients to be booking for this chiropractor. So the first thing that strikes me is this background video. This is typically not a good idea, particularly at the top of your website, for a couple of reasons. One, our eyes naturally follow movement. And as I'm sitting here watching this, I can't stop staring at the family riding their bicycles. I'm not looking at anything else. It's very, very distracting to me. The other reason you don't want to have a video at the top is because it slows down the page load. And I noticed when I initially went to this website, it took about 10 seconds to load completely. So this would not be a good idea to have any type of real movement up at the top. What we want to focus on is getting our visitors to know exactly what we do, who we do it for, how that benefits them, and how they can get it. And right now, this top section, it's called the hero section of this website, isn't really doing this for us. You see that their headline is, "We welcome new patients." Well, that doesn't tell me anything about how this is going to benefit me. Most chiropractors welcome new patients. So this is not standing out based on any other competitor that I've been to, any other website that I've been to for a chiropractor. This doesn't tell me anything new. Now, they do have a request an appointment today button. However, when you click on this, it just goes to a contact form. So what I would do is I would have some sort of online booking automation set up so that people can actually book an appointment directly from this website. The other thing that they're missing up here is some sort of social proof. Typically, your headline and your subheadline are telling visitors exactly what you do, how that benefits them. And then the social proof that's there helps reinforce that headline and subheadline. And I don't see any testimonials up here. Actually, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find the testimonials. So if I was Dr. Jill, I would take a snippet of one of these testimonials and place it up in the hero section right at the top. This helps build social proof, and it gets people to know, like, and trust you. Now, what's interesting about this website is they've got a family riding bicycles here, and then the next image is another person riding a bicycle. So initially, when I came onto this website, I thought that Dr. Jill specialized in sports chiropractic. However, she doesn't necessarily. She does work with sports athletes, but she also works with auto accidents, work-related injuries, general wear and tear, stress, all these different things. So I think the images here are kind of confusing if you're the first time that you've been to this website and you don't know who Dr. Jill is, you're trying to figure out if she would be a good fit. Maybe you might be distracted by all this and say, well, she only works with people who are interested in sports, or maybe just cyclists. So if you're a generalist when it comes to chiropractic, then select an image that you're going to place at the top that's maybe an action picture of you working with a patient, and make it very clear the types of patients you're looking for. So let me show you how I would redesign this to make this so much better. And this is something that will work for any local service business. This one, it's going to be for chiropractic, but the techniques and strategies that I'm using are going to be able to be applied to any local service business. So let's take a look. So this is what I would do if I was Dr. Jill. I'd have a very clear headline. Is pain holding you back from living your best life? Dr. Jill's unique approach helps you regain your health and become pain-free in just 6 weeks. Schedule today. So, is pain holding me back from living my best life? Yes, of course it is. And her unique approach helps me regain my health and become pain-free. That's what I want. So immediately I know I might be in the right place here. And what does she want us to do? She wants us to schedule. And this would go to a booking automation where I could schedule an appointment right here. I don't have to fill out a contact form and wait to hear back. Now, directly below this top section of the website is some social proof. a little snippet of a testimonial, and this social proof should support the headline and the subheadline. So this is the first time I've been pain-free in over 20 years. Thanks, Dr. Jill. That supports her unique approach that she can help me regain my health and become pain-free because it's worked for Jeremy here. Maybe it'll work for me. One of the last things that I want you to notice, and this is not by accident, look at where this man's eyes are pointing. Look at where this man's eyes are pointing and this woman. They're all focused on what we want visitors to do when they land on the website, schedule today. And this is not by accident. If you're going to use an image, make sure if there's people in it that it's facing the main call to action. This is like a psychological principle where our eyes follow a person's eyes in an image. So let's focus. If this man was turned facing the other way, then this wouldn't actually support this main call to action. Let me show you another option. I slightly changed it. I changed the background image. Let's say she works with golfers and people that are a little bit older and to get them to be pain-free. This would be a great background image, but this could be an image of just instead of a grandfather, it could be just a father, or it could be a mother, helping their child. Is pain holding you back from life's special moments? This subheadline is exactly the same. Schedule today. And you'll notice this boy's eyes are pointing directly to the schedule today button. So everything that's here, an image, headline, subheadline, call to action, and some social proof, they're all here to help grab people's attention when they land on your website, tell them exactly what you do, who you do it for, how that benefits them, and how they can get it. I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you next time.